Stefon Diggs found not guilty of strangulation of his shift in Massachusetts. Let's take a look, man.
Madam Forelady, has your jury agreed upon a verdict?
Yes.
On count one, strangulation or suffocation, what is your verdict? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
On count two, the charge of assault and battery, what is your verdict? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
Madam Forelady, members of the jury, hearken to your verdict as the court has recorded it. Upon your oath, you say that the defendant is not guilty of the count of strangulation or suffocation and not guilty of the count of assault and battery. So say you, Madam Forelady?
Yes.
So say all members of the jury.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Jurors, please be seated for a moment. Everyone may be seated. Thank you. Jurors, I told you during this trial and in my instructions that the verdict was your responsibility and your responsibility alone. Jurors, I want to thank each of you for your careful attention and your service throughout this trial. This case has involved a heightened level of public attention. Despite that, you have remained focused on the evidence presented in this courtroom and the law as I instructed you. That is exactly what is required, and it is essential to the fair administration of justice. I recognize that serving as a juror in any case can be demanding, and in a case such as this, it may have required additional patience and sacrifice. The court is grateful for the seriousness and integrity with which you have carried out your responsibilities. Now that your service is complete, you are free to discuss the case with others if you choose, but you are not required to do so. You should not feel any obligation to speak with anyone, including members of the media. If you are approached, you may simply decline. Whether or not to speak is entirely your decision. All I can say is that on behalf of the court and the parties, thank you again for your public service, and you are now excused with the thanks of the court.
So there you have it. Not guilty. Well, it gotta feel good, man. It gotta feel good, man. To go to trial and, you know what I'm saying, to have your life in these people's hands and to be found not guilty at the end, man. So let me read to you, you know what I'm saying, for those who don't know what's going on. Free agent NFL receiver Stefon Diggs was found not guilty of felony strangulation and misdemeanor assault charges stemming from an alleged December incident in his private chef in Massachusetts. The jury deliberated less than 2 hours before acquitting Diggs, rejecting the private chef's account that he hit and choked her during a dispute over unpaid wages. Why would he beat her up because of something like that? So, because he disputed and said, man, she got mad because she wanted more money. So she made up some junk. Diggs' accuser reportedly sought $5.5 million from him after reporting the incident. Though she provided no photographs, video, or medical evidence of the injury she alleged. I already knew he was gonna beat that. She don't got no evidence. If somebody beats you up, you will have bruises and everything. The man is an NFL player, way stronger than her, and he's a man. She would have some type of physical evidence somewhere on her body. She couldn't provide that. So you call the police, you look pretty as I don't know what. I don't want to know why they pursued this in trial, man. It shouldn't have took that long. It should have been, it just took a day. Hold on, let me see something. The jury deliberated less than 2 hours before acquitting. Yeah, come on, man. You don't got no evidence, but you tried it, though. You tried to hit that man for $5.5 million. You got to be careful, man. When you a celebrity, you got all type of money like that, you got to be careful about. You never know, man. You just never know who out to get you. Everybody out to get you. Soon as you touch the millionaire status, like 9 figures, bro, you are already a target. It's a target on your back. You can't trust nobody. Accountants, lawyers, none of them, man. All of them out to get you, man. You probably can trust your lawyer, though. You can trust your lawyer. You know what I mean? Because unless he's trying to get you on a whole lot of money. But what y'all think about this, man? Do y'all think, if y'all been following what's been going on about this case of Stefon Diggs and stuff, man, do y'all think he was guilty if you was following it? Or do y'all think he should have paid up? He shouldn't have paid nothing. But she tried it, though. Like, comment, subscribe. I am your host, Reno Black, a.k.a. Hot. This has been another hot reaction. Shout out to Stefon Diggs, man. We out.